In this video you can learn how to make an infinity scarf. I've chosen this beautiful silk. This technique can be applied with heavier or lighter materials. We are gonna start by folding the fabric in half, getting the two edges even and straight. I cut my fabric 55 by 1.70 centimeters. This depends on how big you want your scarf to be. Pinning will help sewing it straight. You can sew this by hand or with a machine. If you are working with very light materials, pinning is a must. Here, we're gonna leave an opening of between 15 to 20 centimeters and continue sewing all the way until the end of this side of the fabric. I use a straight stitch. Always remember to do a back stitch before you continue sewing. The seam allowance doesn't have to be bigger than 1 centimeter. When you come to the center of the fabric, you can do a back stitch, then skip for about 15 to 20 centimeters. Then after that you can continue sewing. This opening will allow us to turn the fabric inside out. You can skip by lifting the foot up and slowly sliding the fabric. Now through the opening that we skipped, we're gonna turn the fabric over by sticking our hand and pulling one of the edges of the scarf and then passing it through that opening. Remember to be very gentle so we don't damage the fabric. Now this is very important. Once you lay the scarf on a flat surface, make sure to have the edges that were sewn opposite to each other, as you can see here. Now put your hand inside the other edge of the scarf and go all the way to the center. Stick your fingers through the opening and pull the other edge of the fabric. Go through the whole scarf and try to put both of the edges together. Having them both even and straight, then you can go ahead and pin it all the way around. Sew the edges together, making sure to keep a straight line. You can leave again a seam allowance of about 1 centimeter. Using the opening, we will now turn the scarf over. This is my favorite part. When I get to see a project almost done, it's like opening a gift. This opening has to be sealed by hand, and this is pretty much over. This is a quick project and makes the perfect gift for everyone. It all depends on the material you choose. If this was helpful, please give me some thumbs up. To support my videos, you can subscribe by pushing the subscribe button. You can follow me in Instagram and Facebook. Leave me your comments below. Looking forward to hear from you.